Hello everyone. Welcome to Mirae Sharekhan's weekly commodity forecast, where we break down what's driving commodities this week and what it means for prices ahead. Let's start with key global cues, macroeconomic headlines. What's driving the market? Japan's Prime Minister secured a strong election victory, giving her the mandate to push fiscal expansion, including tax relief. This matters because fiscal expansion can support growth and impact currencies and commodities. In Europe, the ECB kept interest rates unchanged, saying inflation is stabilizing but uncertainty remains. This signals no urgency to tighten, keeping global liquidity conditions relatively stable. In the US, job openings fell sharply to 6.5 million, the lowest since 2020. This points to some cooling in the labor market, which keeps rate cut expectations alive. Meanwhile, Shanghai and LME inventories rose, especially copper stocks. High inventories usually put pressure on base metal prices. Commodity focus. Gold. Why prices are supported. Gold ended the week higher despite volatility. MCX Gold April 2026 rose 1.78% to 1,55,050, while global prices moved above $4,960. Why gold is strong? Strong ETF inflows with around 33 tons added this year. China's central bank bought gold for the 15th straight month. COMEX inventories are near a 15-month low, indicating tight supply. Technically, gold has moved back above the 20-day exponential moving average, and momentum indicators are positive. The levels to track. Resistance at 1,65,080 and 1,71,700. Support at 1,51,940 and 1,49,300. Overall, gold continues to carry a positive medium-term bias. Commodity focus. Crude oil. Why prices fell? What next? Crude oil prices slipped last week as US-Iran talks reduced immediate geopolitical tensions. This lowered the short-term risk premium in oil prices. On MCX, crude oil closed 1.87% lower at 5,819, but prices found support near the 20-day exponential moving average and held above the middle Bollinger Band. What this means is that near-term pressure due to easing tensions, but risk premiums remain because tensions are not fully resolved. The key levels to watch. Resistance at 6,135 and 6,565, support at 5,625 and 5,515. The short-term bias remains cautiously positive as long as support holds. Weekly price action. A quick snapshot. Gold gained 1.45% globally. Silver corrected sharply, falling over 8% internationally and 14% on MCX. The gold-silver ratio moved higher, showing gold's relative strength. Base metals weakened with aluminium, copper, nickel, and zinc under pressure due to rising inventories. Weekly event calendar. Why this week matters. This week, markets will track the US ADP employment, non-farm payrolls, CPI inflation, and retail sales, China CPI and PPI data, US weekly jobless claims and housing numbers. These data points will shape interest rate expectations, which directly impact gold, oil, and base metals. That's your weekly commodity forecast from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Keep an eye on global data, respect key price levels, and we'll be back next week with another update. Thank you.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.